Hello everyone! I'm thrilled to connect with you all today as the executive director of our incredible festival. I want to talk to you about something special, something that's close to my heart and the heart of everyone involved, our New York Kurdish Film Festival's 7th edition. Our festival is more than just an event. It's a celebration of our culture, creativity, and community. We put our hearts and souls into creating an experience that's unlike anything you've ever seen. From the moment you walk through the doors, you are not just attending an event, you are joining a movement. Our mission is clear: to bring Kurdish people from all parts of Kurdistan, friends of Kurds, and culture enthusiasts together to bridge cultures and to inspire. We believe in the power of Kurdish cinema, art, storytelling to break down concrete barriers and foster unity. This year, our festival holds special significance as we celebrate 100 years of resistance against the backdrop of the Lausanne Treaty, which tragically split Kurdistan into 4 parts under different occupiers. It's a moment to reflect on the unyielding spirit of the Kurdish people and their enduring resilience. Now, I want you to imagine this: vibrant films from around the Kurdistan, thought-provoking discussions on the struggles and triumph of Kurdish people, music that touches your soul, and true sense of unity. That's what our film festival is all about. The festival will last a week and take place in the historic movie theater Village East by Angelica. We'll be featuring 17 remarkable films that delve into the heart of Kurdish cinema, a workshop on the ethic aspects of documentary filmmaking, live Kurdish dance and music performances, Kurdish cuisine, a program for kids, and much more. I invite each and every of you to join us in this journey. Whether you are a Kurd, a film enthusiast, an artist, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of cultural exchange, this festival is for you. It's for us. It's for everyone who believes in the power of art to make the world a better place. See you tomorrow.